can be seen here in the BJP office. One thing more.
I believe similar pictures are coming, Niranjan, from the Delhi BJP headquarters, the national headquarters. Yeah. Riyanka is joining us from there.
We're hearing that the Prime Minister could be present there. The celebrations, preparations for celebrations this evening. Yes. Riyanka.
Yes, these are the visuals outside the BJP headquarters, and all the workers you can see, they are slowly gathering and they are now waving the flag of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, the dolls also have been brought in, and this is to celebrate the massive victory which is soon to be announced completely in Haryana, where the BJP is all set to defeat Congress and make a comeback for the third time. This has lowered the confidence of the Congress party that was initially very happy, and they had already started celebrating by themselves, seeing the early trends. But as of now, what we can see, the numbers have changed the entire game. It is 50 for the BJP and 35 for the Congress in the state of Haryana. And here the workers can be seen getting in boxes of sweets as well as boxes of crackers that they want to celebrate. These are the visuals where these workers are now celebrating. They're distributing sweets amongst each other. In fact, the dolls are also being played. As you can see behind me, you can get the ambience of the entire area. We'll also try and go ahead and speak to a few workers of the BJP who have joined in here. We'll go ahead and speak to them. आप लोग यहाँ आए हैं, सेलिब्रेशन का माहौल है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, तीसरी बार भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनी है और कहीं ना कहीं हरियाणा के लोगों ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी को, नरेंद्र मोदी जी को चुना है, और जिस तरीके से आपके सामने रिजल्ट है, और हम दोबारा से सरकार तीसरी बार बनाने जा रहे हैं।
तीसरी बार सरकार आ रही है, कांग्रेस की कॉन्फिडेंस को कम कर दिया गया है। शुरुआत में कांग्रेस सेलिब्रेट कर रही थी, अब नंबर बदल दिए गए, कैसे देखते हैं?
राहुल गांधी के झूठे प्रचार और झूठी उनकी स्कीम्स को हरियाणा के लोगों ने नकारा है कहीं ना कहीं, और नरेंद्र मोदी जी के विश्वास में मोदी जी की गारंटी को अपनाया है, और आज रिजल्ट आपके सामने है कि हम तीसरी बार एक ऐतिहासिक जीत के साथ सरकार बनाने जा रहे हैं हरियाणा में।
You heard one of the workers of the BJP, they have come here, they are raising these posters that have Prime Minister Modi's face on it, and these are the people who are now standing on just the road in front of the BJP head office. Slowly more workers and the volunteers and the members of the BJP are joining here outside the head office. It is going to be a mega celebration because for the third time the BJP is going to be forming the government in the state of Haryana after defeating the Congress party, as I said, which was earlier quite confident of its win, but the numbers changed. 50, there you can see the bursting of crackers, although it is being banned in the national capital given the pollution, but celebrations are celebrations, and what we see that there was indeed a moment of the firecracker that was being burst. So Congress at 35, BJP at 50, these are the numbers that are now being solidifying, and it looks like it is the BJP once again making its third term in the state of Haryana. We are constantly bringing you these visuals of celebrations that are taking place outside the BJP head office in the national capital. Over to you in the studios.
And it's only just close to 4 p.m. We know that the celebrations are only going to heighten in the next few hours. Prime Minister Modi also expected at the BJP national headquarters in the evening. So we step into a very short commercial break right now, but all our guests and our reporters continue to stay with us. We'll be back on the other side. Stay tuned.